Hello everyone, welcome to our pre-calculus class. This is our lesson 1 and this lesson is about rectangular coordinate system, distance formula and midpoint formula. And these are our agenda: coordinates and graphs, the distance formula and the midpoint formula. These are the things that we will discuss here. So let's look at the thing. Coordinate system. What is a coordinate system? How do we locate something in our daily life? Suppose if I say, where are you now? What will be your answer? You are at your house, you are at your room, or sitting on some chair, all right? But how can I reach you, or how can you reach me, or how can you tell some other people your address? You tell them like you live in some place, the locality, district, village, if it is village, village name, house name, etc. Then from our regular concept we understand that, okay, first of all, she is in this earth, in this earth, in this earth she is in that country, on in that country she is there in that district, and in that district she is there in that village or in that locality or in that town or wherever she is. Then we go for the house, then we can locate you and we can see, hey, you are here sitting on some chair, right? So you see, now look at this scenario. Suppose if you give your address and something you said, and if someone look for you in some other country where you are not, then can they find you? Answer is of course no, right? So, or if someone tries to find you in some other planet, let's say in Mars or in Jupiter, they will not find you. So first of all, to find you, someone has to come to the Earth. Then from the earth they has to go to your country or our whoever it is, their country. Then this way, just we locate something this way. My point here is every location is based on some system, okay, some reference system. First of all, we have to locate some with respect to what you are talking about, that thing we have to locate first. Hmm. Suppose if we say that where is AOW? First of all, you have to come to Chittagong to get this campus. Okay. First of all, you have to come here. So this is how we decide intuitively in our daily life what to do. But in a mathematical form, how can we talk about this in one dimension? This is actually one dimension when it is a straight line. In one dimension, if I say that, say for example, these two things. Suppose if I say that I'm here, let's say I'm here. So if I say that where is this house, so I have to say that, okay, if I'm here, then I have to go to this left side of myself. 1 2 3 4 5 6, somewhat 6 unit. If I move, then I will see that house. And if I want to see this very big building as it looks like, I have to go to my right side. 1 2 3 4. After 4 unit, then I will have this big house. So you see, this is important to locate where you are first of all on the line. Okay, this is one dimension thing, just only a line. But what about a two-dimensional thing? Suppose on a in some room, then what about that? Yeah. In two-dimensional place, suppose in two-dimensional place, that coordinate system which we will discuss, that is also a two-dimensional thing. And suppose something like this. This is two dimension, this direction and this direction. Suppose you are here. Suppose you are here and I am here. So how can I go to? I can go directly like this, which is somewhat like going in this direction this much and then this direction this much. Okay, in the left, in the right direction something, and in the other direction something. Or I can do other thing. I can go this direction and this direction also to go to this point. If I cannot go through the middle of the line. Okay. In other words, to go to this point, I have to have two value. Two value. How much I have to go to the right side and how much I have to go to the upside. I need this two value to find out to go to this place or to find out if you are here. Or if I start moving this way, then I need how much I have to go up and how much I have to go to right this way. Okay, and if I want to go this way, then also actually I need this value, because then where I will stop I will not know. I will not know. I will not know if I don't have this coordinate. So my point here is, to locate anything, we need some value. In one dimension, we need one value. In two dimension, we need two value. Okay, so in two dimension, we need two value. In the left, how much? In this case, in the right, how much? In the up, how much? Suppose if you are here, then I need to know in the left how much and in the up how much distance you are away. Then I can locate you. Similar concept. From this concept, actually, we get this coordinate system. Okay, this coordinate system we get. Where we have this x-axis, then y-axis. This is the y-axis. Positive side of the x-axis is this side. Positive side of the y-axis is this side. And this point is, you will know this, all of them. This point is the origin or center, which is called 0, 0. This is the negative side of the x-axis. This is the negative side of y-axis, as you can see the number also. So the location of any point can be given as ordered pair. Ordered pair means two value. Let me write it here. Suppose if I go to this point, so this is in the x direction, I go 2 unit, and then in the y direction I go 1 unit, one box, as you can see. So 2, 1. So this point name will be 2, 1. This is this direction 2, then this direction 1. So this point's name will be 2, 1. And this value is called ordered pair. There is two things, that's why it is pair. This is ordered because the first value is the x value, that's why this is, and second value is the y value. So there is some sort of order here, sequence here, relation here. You cannot, if you write something like 3, suppose 3, minus 2. This is the ordered pair, and always this first value will be x, the second value will be y. That's why it is ordered pair. So where is this 3, minus 2? Can you locate it here? 3, minus 2. See if my answer and your answer is same. This is 3 and minus 2 is here. So 3, minus 2 is here. See, this is 3 box. 1, 2, 3 box. Then this side, 1 box, 2 box. So this is 3, minus 2. This box is 3, minus 2. This point is 3, minus 2 point. Anyway, we are talking about the ordered pair. So this thing is called the ordered pair. This is ordered pair. This is also ordered pair. Ordered pair. They are the ordered pair. So we are again talking about this. This x value right side is positive. From this point, right side is positive. This side is negative. For the y value, upside is positive. Downside is negative. Written x, y. Always first value is x. Second value is y. So 2, 3. Let me clean it up so that you can see. 2, 3, see, this side is 2, then this side is 3. Minus 4, 1, where is it? Think about it. Is it? Minus 4, 1. See, this side minus 4 and then upside 1. 3, minus 5. So where is this 3, minus 5? So see, this is 3 and then minus 5 is down here. So 3, minus 5 must be here. So see, 3, minus 5 is here. Okay, minus 2, minus 2. Where is that? Minus 2, minus 2. So see, this is minus 2. From here, you have to start from here. This is minus 2 and this is another minus 2. So this must be here. Minus 2, minus 2. See, this is here. What is the ordered pair for this point? So what is the ordered pair of this point, this center? Already technically I already said the answer. What is the ordered pair of this point, and what is the name of this point? Name of this point is the origin. Okay, and the ordered pair of this point will be, since you are not moving anywhere, so this will be 0, 0. This is 0, 0. Okay, 0, 0. This is called the line segment. This AB is a line segment. How much long it is? You can just count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the distance is 6 here. Or you can look at here. This is 4. This is minus 2. But distance is always positive. So you just have to add them to get the distance. Distance is always positive. So you just have to add them to get it. Okay. So total distance is what? Total distance is 6. What is the distance of this line segment BC? So 1, 2, 3, 4. So distance is 4 here. Okay. What is the formula can you write to find out the length of any horizontal line segment or vertical line segment? See x2 minus y2, or x2 minus x1 and y2 minus y1. This way also you can find the coordinate from the coordinate. You can just that way also you can do. Or if the coordinate plane is given, just you can count the boxes. Okay, it as since all the boxes is 1 1 1 1, so you can say okay 1 2 3 4. The distance is 4 here. 1 2 3 4 5 6. The distance is 6 here. Okay, or you can do it according to this formula. Suppose if you are wondering, if you say sir what is this formula means, this means x2 minus, so this is x value is 4, then minus x1, so x1 is minus 2, so ultimately this is 4 plus 2, so ultimately this is 6, ultimately this is 6. So this way also you can find out, you will get the same answer, of course. Finding the length of a line segment. How can we find out the length of a line segment? This guy is this guy is the Pythagoras, the famous Pythagoras. Okay, this is his what he used to do. He's a Greek mathematician, cult leader. He thought that beings were evil, kind of, and killed another mathematician who proved some number couldn't be written as fraction. He thought that all number will be fractions, so he thought that if someone says what is beyond that, I will kill them. So he killed one of the mathematicians who said that. Not too good. And this guy actually invented this very useful formula, which is called the Pythagorean formula. And this is the Pythagorean formula. Essentially tells us that hypotenuse is square, that is c square equals to length of this side is square plus this side is square. That means a square plus b square equal to c square. This is what he is saying. Okay, so this is the famous. But yeah, this guy was he has done this and this thing, but his work was really good, legendary. This formula is really good. So this Pythagorean formula, where can we use? The very important thing is this 90-degree triangle. You need to use it. Okay, if you see that this 90 degree is given, then you can use this formula, or else no. This A, B, C, they are the distance. They are the distance. Suppose it is 3, suppose it is 4, it is something. According to this formula, this will be 5 now. Suppose it is let's say it is 12, it is 5. Then based on this formula, we can find out what will be this value. This will be actually 13 at that case. If you just look at the square, we can solve that math also. I mean, these all values are the distance, 5 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 1 kilometer, like that, and this will be the distance. And then if we square the distance, then this relationship will be correct. Find the length of a line segment. So now see, we know the distance of here and distance of here. Now the question is, what is the distance here then? How much is the distance from this corner to this corner? Now we cannot count the boxes. So how can we find out the distance here? So here it comes that formula. That guy, that Pythagoras gave that formula, Pythagorean theorem, this one. Now we can use it. Since we know what is the distance here and what is the distance here, 6 and 4, we can put it here. Then we can square root and we can find it out. The distance will be 7.2 here, 7.2. So this Pythagorean theorem actually we can use to find out the length of the hypotenuse. This is called the hypotenuse. Okay, This is one side, this is another side. So if you know the two sides of a triangle, this is a right triangle by the way, as you can see. If we know the two sides of the right triangle, then we can actually find out the hypotenuse by using the Pythagorean theorem. The general formula is this one. How can we find out the distance? If you know the coordinate of this x1, y1 and this x2, y2, then you can use this formula to find out the distance between these 2 points. Let me give you an example. Suppose let's say this point is 4, 6. We can see this point is 4, 6. This point, this is 4 and this is 6, and this point is minus 2, plus 2, minus 2, plus 2. Now you can see x2 minus x1. So x2 is 4. So you can write here 4. And x1 is minus 2. So you can write minus 2. This minus is this minus, but there is a minus with my number. So I have to write minus 2. Then y2 minus y1. y2 is 6. y1 is 2. So 6 minus 2. So 6 minus 2 means 4. 4 whole square you can do. Then 4 minus plus, this will be 4 plus 2, 6. So 6 whole square. So basically this 6 square plus 4 square. Then it will be 36 and 16. Ultimately it will be 52. Then there is a square root. For that is square root, it will be square root of 52. Then answer will be 7.2. So if the coordinate of these points are given without that line, you can actually directly use this formula to find out the distance. Similar practice, this is the practice problems. We will do it during the class. What is the midpoint of the line segment? What is the midpoint? Suppose what is the midpoint of this line segment? See, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what is the middle? Midpoint means what is the middle point here? If you cross this and this and this, then you see what we have here is this one cancel, this one cancel. So we have this and this. So middle is here, right? Middle is here. This side is 2.5 and this side is 2.5. Kind of this is how we go to the middle. Okay, we just from both sides we just eliminate half and half. Then we get to the middle point. To get the midpoint, we just have to go to the middle. So as you can see, minus 1 by 2. This is minus 3, this is plus 2. So minus 3 plus 2 divided by 2. To get the middle, we get to the, let me do one thing. This is, some of the text is below, behind the, you can put it here. I think now we can see it. So yeah. So to find out the middle of anything, we just divide it by 2. We add the 2 number from both sides and then divide it by 2 to get the midpoint of something. Suppose, let's say, suppose I have 10 taka, you have 20 taka. What is the average of our money? Your money and our money. Total average is what? So first of all, I have to add your money and my money, then divide it by 2. So average will be 15. Okay. In average, we have 15 taka. I have 10, you have 20. So in average, how much we have, both of us? So it will be 10 plus 20 divided by 2. That's why always to find out the midpoint of something, we have to divide it by 2. This divided by 2 comes from here. Add the number and then divide it by 2. Similarly, for finding the midpoint of these 2 points, our formula will be same. X value plus x value divided by 2, y value plus y value divided by 2. X value plus x value divided by 2, y value plus y value divided by 2. Then we will get the midpoint of this line segment, which will be somewhat here. Okay, somewhere here. You will get the exact value if you use this formula. Okay. Of course, this x1, y1, they are just like x1, y1. But in real situation, there will be some number. This will be like some number, which we already have seen. Okay. This is a practice problem from the midpoint. This one also we will do during the class time. There are a couple of homeworks here. These are the practice, by the way. Practice, just you do not have to submit it. Just you can try to do these maths. If you can, that will be good. And I think that's the last page of this video. So thank you all. Thank you very much for watching it, and have a good day. See you all in the class. Bye bye. Bye everyone.